Something's messing with my shrimp over there. Probably took it already. Got myself another monster ladyfish. Shit, this thing weighs a good 3 pounds. 3 pounds of solid muscle. That's the only thing that happens when you're fishing with shrimp. You get a lot of unwanted species. Start recording. It seems like a trout. Hopefully it's a keeper. Okay, if it's a trout, it's a keeper. If it's a trout, it's a keeper. Okay, come to Papa. Come to Papa. Well, I think it's a redfish. Yeah, it's a red, undersized. It's a nice red, but I think it's a little undersized. Let me get my pliers. Hopefully I can get the hook out. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. It's not too deep. There it is. Okay, let's measure it just for kicks. Let's measure it. 18 and 3/4. 18 and 3/4. Start recording. I'm on again, folks. It doesn't feel like a ladyfish. Hopefully it's a keeper trout this time. It's another red? Yeah, it's another red. Another nice, beautiful red, but can't keep. Sorry. Let's get this out of here. plier time. Okay, another little red. Stop recording. Another red. Jeez. Another red, folks. 3 reds and a trout. I'm sorry little fella. Sorry little fella. Sorry little fella. Come on little fella, let me help you out. You're like, Jesus, just let me out. Okay, that's it for the live shrimp. It was fun. Now time to get to work. It's raining a little harder now. Let me go top water a little bit. I'm gonna go top water a little bit. Man, I see a dark cloud. And then my trolling motor's not working. A dark ass cloud, folks. Start recording. Yeah, I'm gonna come to this techito right here. Covering, this covering, folks. Get out of the rain for a while. Yeah.
Okay, where you at? On this side of the boat ramp or past that way?
No, I'm still on this side. Nomás que I came to a techito to get out of the rain. But I'm still on this side.
Okay.
Red trout or flounder. No quiere nada. Or snook. Red trout, flounder, snook. Red trout, flounder, or snook. No perch, no catfish. Ah! Oh shit. It was a stupid catfish. Can you believe that crap? I hadn't caught a catfish the whole morning. Almost recorded me poking my eye out. I hope it's my first keeper trout, folks. What are you? What are you? Oh yeah, it is a trout. It's a little short, but we'll see. A real feisty one too. Oh, it's real healthy. It's gonna be close, folks. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. That's all I have to say about that. Let's measure that short 14 here. Come on, baby. Nah, it's not gonna be 15. Not even close. 14. 14. Did you see that, folks? 14. 14. Current now going out to the bay. Maybe that'll trigger something. There, I got something there. Ah, that feels like a catfish. And it sounds like a catfish. If it looks like it, sounds like it, it is. God almighty. Ay, cabrón. Did it get me? It almost got me if I wasn't thick-skinned. Stop recording. I just pulled out a flounder. I had turned off my camera and I pulled out a flounder right here, right now. I'm gonna measure it. It looks close. It's close. I'm gonna measure it. Just barely right now. But I had turned off my camera because it had slowed down. Let's see if it's gonna be close, man. Okay, sorry folks, but I had the camera off and I just pulled out this nice flounder. It's gonna be close. This is best tasting fish by far. By far. Let me just, I don't want to drift off this spot. I don't want to drift off this spot. Man, it's gonna be close. Let me measure it first. I think it has to be 15, I think. Come on, baby. Be 15. Or open your mouth so I can clamp you. There, I clamped him. God, it's gonna be close. Oh, I think I just dipped my damn rod. Oh yeah, folks. 50 and a half. Keeper. Ah, that's catfish. Fuck. What records this stupid ass catfish on a damn lure? Catfish on a lure? No, hombre. There it is. Little redfish. Little redfish late. Little redfish late.